What's up, y'all? My name is Embry with the upside down A.
And this is Marquise, also known as Trey. Mark?
Yes, and we are Black Phoenix Film.
And today we're going to talk about what to do when your Zoom H4n Pro is only recording from the left channel.
Yes, because we literally just had that problem.
Black Phoenix Films. Are you listening to me? Black Phoenix Films.
So this is the Zoom H4n Pro, and this has two XLR ports. It has an external mic. It also comes with an SD card slot to record your audio, powered by 2 alkaline batteries.
In today's audio setup, we are using the Zoom H4n Pro connected to an XLR cable that is attached to our NTG2 right here. So the NTG2 is a Rode microphone, and that's how we're getting this beautiful professional audio quality.
The problem that we came across for setting up our Zoom to our Rode mic is the factory settings only allowed it to record to the left channel.
And that's nothing that you can work with. When you get in post-production, you're gonna only be hearing the audio out of one side. You need a stereo sound to be able to work with and get professional audio, like you're hearing right now. So, when you first power on your Zoom H4n recorder, you'll see that the audio is feeding from the top of the mic. You might not want that once you've connected your boom cable, so press 1 and see that it's still not picking up, even though it's blinking. Let's fix that. So, go ahead and press the stop button to stop your audio. Click menu, and you'll use the dial to the right to select a folder. The folder you want is input. Click input. The first thing you'll need to go to is phantom power. Phantom power gives your mic power. 48 volts. Next, half link, turn it on. After you turn on half link, go to mono mix, turn it on. All right, that's all you need. Go ahead and press menu twice to get out. Press the record button to test your audio, and you are in there.
All right, guys, so I hope this is very beneficial for you and your production. I know when we came across this problem, I was looking at her like,
So yes, like and subscribe. Keep up with us. Many more videos to come.
And please share this to someone who you think that may need this.
Definitely.
So this is BPF. We out.